You see, different kind of flower. So beautiful. The pond. There's no pond there in the other side. Where the Bryant Park.
This daisy in there.
Yeah, white, pink. Yeah, there's a lot of beautiful flowers.
Mommy, don't step there.
Yeah.
Don't go any closer.
Why?
Sting you.
No, they just picking up the pollen. Yeah. Did you saw it? Yeah. No, there's no bee here. No. Later. There's a lot of flower. Yeah. You can go there. Oh, we forgot to bring some food. They're waiting for your food, Alexa. Here, anak. Go in the middle. That's nice. Oh, there's a lot. They are here. Oh, they are there all. Oh, there's a squirrel.
Oh, hey Alvin. Do you know an Alvin on there? Where's Simon?
looking at you, waiting for the food. We forgot to bring food.
Alvin!
There are two.
No! Simon! What did I not one there? There's not one there.
Yeah, there are two.
Alvin, this. It's the only food I have. Simon! Simon!
Another one.
Simon! 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 How we go to Greg's and buy some bacon ducks?
Yeah, it's coming with me now.
Only food. It's the only food. Food.
Another one there on the tree. There.
One,
There's
two,
another.
three. Okay,
There are two.
Alvin. Alvin. Theodore. And Simon. Simon, come. Can I go to Greg's and buy some bacon nuts, please?
We don't have food, that's why.
Then let's go to Greg's and buy some bacon nuts. Then
Later.
nuts.
We have in the house. There's a lot of bird up here. Look.
I'm throwing the whole bag. Like that. We walked 800 meters.
Come here, Alexa. Look, the flowers. It's so beautiful.